What's up, guys? So right now I'm on my way to a few classes, and this afternoon we're gonna shoot some Tannerite. Now having my own property, you know, nobody can tell me I can't. So I got a tree that's broke, like it's kind of broke off in a really weird spot, and I really don't want to use the chainsaw for it because I don't know which way it's gonna fall. So we're just gonna fucking use some Tannerite and have a safe distance, you know, then it can fall wherever it wants to. Until then, stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm back home. I already started working. I'm gonna show you right here what my plans are. As you see, I got my little fire going back there again. That for sale sign, wherever, right here in this area. We just use that as a little target because I guess the company that sold the house left it here, whatever. So I'm gonna show you the plan. What we got going on. So I already started, you know, taking down this whole tree was broke off back here. So I already started cutting it up and just throwing the shit on the pile. It doesn't look like a lot of work, but man, doing this shit alone is a lot of work. Yeah, I'm gonna show you what I got planned if I can't get it to fall the way I want to. Well, to minimize the risk that the tree can fall on. All right, so right here, y'all see how it's like all broke off and shit right here. I don't want to stand underneath, you know, in here, because this thing's like, that's like at like 7 feet height. So I don't want to stand underneath it, sawing upwards and then hoping it's gonna fall the right direction. The reason I say fall the right direction is because it's still supported by a branch here and a branch that goes into the other side. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'm gonna put some Tannerite like up in here, maybe back here somehow, and just see if that ain't gonna do the trick. But first I still gotta cut everything I can cut and try to, you know, clear it away a little bit. And then I hope it doesn't rain, because as y'all see, kind of cloudy. The weather app says it ain't gonna rain, so we'll find out. Hey man, AR or AK?
AR.
All right, so we're gonna try it with, I think it's a 1/4 pound of Tannerite first. I don't even think I'm gonna fucking hit this shit, dude. Jesus, this is so fucking small, dude. It's really small. Pete, I might need assistance. As you see, we're here all safety first. Vest, ACH. Safety first, kids. Don't try this at home. We are professionals. Something along those lines. Look at this big boy. Big bird! Well, let's do the small one first. See if that works. Yeah, I think right there should be good somehow. Just, can you put it at the orange just to the front that I can... Bitch, how the fuck am I gonna shoot that shit, dude? It's gone. Yeah, somehow like that, dude. Okay.
Stop my intro.
All right. Safety first. Always safety first. All right, damage assessment. It didn't do jack shit. It did not do nothing. Wow. You gonna tell them what we got there? I guess Big Bird don't talk. It's 1.5 pounds of Tannerite. If this don't work, I give up. You wanna try to put it in the same spot, or?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Okay. Think that'll do the trick? Okay, we'll see. Well, my boy Pete just put this one out of his pocket. So I guess we're shooting a tracer.
Better make it count.
Yeah, better make it count. I can't believe that shit didn't work. Kind of disappointing, you Tannerite. Kind of disappointed. Nope. I mean, you see something happened in there, but it didn't do jack shit. Guess we're gonna have to do it the old school way with the saw. Oh, here's a part of the bottle. At least you got a good video out of it. Hold up, I'm adjusting the camera. Oh my God. This shit's so tight. How about you go in the front? 'Cause you're fucking taller than me, bro. I'm like holding it over my head and trying to fucking... No, don't... Oh. Fucking retarded. I mean, fucking mentally challenged. Not Pete, but this fucking tree. You said it was the power of what?
The power of the thrust.
Yeah, so my boy Pete wrapped the rope around and then did his little hip shaking, virgin banging thrust movement. Yanked that tree down. He did it. So I got the task for the day done. Thank you, Pete. And all of y'all, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, leave a comment. I do got more Tannerite. I just don't know what I'm going to blow up with it. Maybe something that actually blows up. Big shout out to Pete. Thank you, Pete. And I hope I see y'all next time with these crazy hair.